How to get Ask Meta AI search on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get the Meta AI on WhatsApp. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The very first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you are logged into your account. And usually you will see the Ask Meta AI option right here above the chat section. And if you don't see it here, the first thing you need to do is tap on the settings icon here and then tap on chats. Head over to chat backup and make sure that you back up all of your chats. Make sure that you are connected to a Google account, and once you have done that, go back and get to the WhatsApp's app info. So go ahead and tap on it and tap on app info. And once you get here, head over to storage section right here, tap on the clear cache option. And once you clear all of its cache, go back, tap on battery and make sure that it's set to unrestricted or optimized. Go back again, tap on storage and delete all of its data. Once the backup is complete, you can try to uninstall the app and reinstall it. Then you should see the Ask Meta option. But if you don't see it, then what you can do is tap on the settings icon again, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Help Center, tap on Contact Us. Now from here, you will just have to tell them that I don't have the Meta AI option, and then ask them for their assistance and then tap on next. Once you submit this, they will contact you within a few business days and hopefully they'll solve your problem. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.